Welcome back to another video. Right now we're going to be taking the paint off the cases with some paint remover. Then we're going to be making them look all shiny. Going to be using this stuff. Yeah, it's supposed to be pretty powerful stuff. Oh, that's disgusting. It's like a weird gel. It's like really thick egg yolk or something. Should have just poured it on it and brushed it on like that.
So, I just finished getting these not all the way clean, but pretty good. I mean, like, there's, except in the corners here and everything, there's really not much powder coat left. So off camera, I put a bunch of paint remover on here, took most of the powder coat off, and then I hit it with my homemade sandblaster. Didn't do a perfect job in some places. You can still see a little bit of powder coat still in there, but I did a fairly good job. And then I shined it all up with some Scotch-Brite, and then I gave it a little pressure wash just to clean it, and now I'm going to be putting it together. No. This works just fine. There you go, that's it. So there's a little bit of old gasket stuff left on here from when I tore it apart. So I'm just gonna clean it up with this paint remover, see if it comes off. Look at that, that was all full of black paint remover, or full of
Yeah.
whatever. I'm just going to give all these surfaces a light sand just to make them just a little bit flatter. This is, what kind of grit is this? 600 grit. I don't know if that's too thin or what, but got 2 brand new dowels. Put those in first. Okay. Yeah, sure they'll go in this side, I guess. I don't think it matters which side they go in. Like this brand new, well not brand new, but a new used shifting shaft that I got off of eBay. There we go. See if it works. So right now it's in neutral. Shift it down to first gear. See how it's spinning. Shift it up into second gear. Yeah, now it's in second gear. The reason it's a bit rough is because there's no oil in there right now. In third gear. Fourth gear. And fifth gear. And then this should be, yeah, that's the top gears. So one last finishing touch for this crankcase ventilation here. This old black hose is a little bit beat up, plus it just looks boring, so I got some blue hose that should work just fine, brand new, so let's see how that works. So this hose is a little bit thinner than the original hose, so as a result it kind of is not very tight, it's sort of loose, so I'm just going to wrap the hose in electrical tape maybe like a couple times, and it'll make it a little bit wider so I can just make it all nice and snug, and it should work pretty good. There we go. Now it's in. There we go. That's in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this clutch basket on there for the transmission shaft, so that I can put a nail in here, so that I can torque the flywheel nut without having to use an impact wrench. Keep in mind I'm not keeping these on here.
There's Loctite on the nut.
Okay, there's the click, so I'll just go a little bit more. That feels like about 40. Now I can take this clutch basket off because I am putting aftermarket one in when it comes in the mail. So.
Yeah.